Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to update the Messages app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Keeping your Messages app updated is important because updates bring new features, better performance, bug fixes, and improved security. First, go to the Google Play Store. Once the Play Store opens, tap on the search bar at the top of the menu bar. Next, type Google Messages or Messages app in the search bar and press search. From the results, make sure you select the official Google Messages app published by Google LLC. This step is important so you don't accidentally choose the wrong app. Now, once the app page opens, check for the update options. If you see the update option, simply tap on it. The update will start downloading and installing automatically. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you don't see the update button and instead see open, that means your Messages app is already up to date. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.